Hello everyone, this is the Ion Smoothie here. And today, guess what we're playing? That's right. For all those of you who are smart, we're playing Loadout. Isn't that fun? Now you're probably all wondering, why was I gone for so long? Well, to explain that, simple and easy. My headset broke, and that's really sad. But, I'll get over it. But I'm glad that I'm back and I'll be able to make videos for you. So it will be good. Yes. Here we go. Oh, and since we're here, that should mean... Yes! Oh, yes. Proximity, we're gonna have to save up for that. But now... Whoa, this is gonna be fun. Let's go ahead and test it, guys, since we're here. And basically, so yeah, we're playing Loadout again. I really enjoy this game, so I decided, you know what the heck, let's play some of this game some more. So here we are, playing Loadout, and we're just gonna play until, you know, I get bored, which I probably won't, and I'll just play for a certain amount of time and then I'll end it. But yeah. Oh, it's so good. Yes. Oh, yes. However, I might switch off the mines for now until I get proximity. Alright, that's good. Oh, I totally forgot I need to... Oh, is cluster on? Oh, swagalicious. Save. And now turn this back on impact. Oh, yeah, so let's just quickly test this. I really just need to shoot it and see how the cluster works out. Oh, there we go, that's good. So I can just kind of... Oh. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is just insane. Alright, that works well for me. So, now let's go and play some game. Yes. Nope, co-op. So yeah, I'm really glad to be back. I'm definitely going to start getting back into my normal uploading. For any of you that care, this is only a temporary headset. Hopefully I'll be able to get my old headset back. I really did feel kind of sad that I wasn't able to upload anything. But I figured, you know what? Why not just upload something from a game that's a lot like me, a game that makes no sense whatsoever. You know? Because that's just the way I am. It's the way I always hope to be, and the way I'll only be happy. Thank you, sir. Alright, so...
The enemy has stolen the hammer. The enemy has dropped
jerks.
the hammer.
Alright. So let's go out and get that
Your
hammer.
hammer has been returned.
Swag.
The enemy has stolen the
Really?
hammer.
My manatee.
Your team has
Get
taken
back
the
here.
hammer. The enemy has dropped your hammer has
There
been
we go.
returned.
Alright, let's go and get that hammer. Or at least protect the guy who has it. Come on. Come on. Who does this guy think he is? John Green? The greenest of Johns? Oh, yes, you're so... Yeah, you're mine. There we go. There's one less man in this world. It's totally worth it. Oh, hello. What's going on, my man? I'm dead. He killed me. That's just the short and long of it, I guess. Darn. So you might be thinking this is a bit of a different recorder, and well, actually, never mind. I switched my recorders. Originally, I was using XSplit, which worked for a really good time, and I really enjoyed using it. However, due to some problems and because of my new headset, XSplit isn't working, so I'm not able to use it anymore. At least it won't record my voice, which was kind of a problem. And I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Those other two videos that I made where I didn't have my voice, those were not with my headset. And it wasn't like that, it was just that for whatever reason, XSplit doesn't work with other headsets, which I don't get why, but it's a bit of a bother. I guess I'll just have to live with it. Alright, here we go. Oh, come on. Seems like we're winning this by a lot. Which is very good. Because that's how I always want it to be. That's how it always should be. Lots of winning. So much win. Just all of this win belongs to me. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I got someone. Yeah. Take that, you jerk. Alright, fire assist. Totes. So we've got pretty solid defense here. I don't think I need to stay here and assist with defense. I can really just assist with offense, which is really to my liking. Ah! I died again! This is just an off day for me. But it's been a while since I played, so it kind of makes sense.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
You guys probably don't know, I have a cat named Luther, and you know, he is just being the biggest jerk, kind of.
Has stolen the hammer. You have returned the hammer.
Like, he is just all over. I don't even know what's wrong with him, he's just kind of going all about. I don't think he's trying to get my attention. He has food. I'm not a bad treater of animals. It's not like he's a dog and he has to go outside. And if he did learn to go outside, he'd learn how to do it himself. Which is why I love cats. They're adorable. Meow. Ba-bum-ba. No, I didn't make it. Oh, I physicsed. I got this game on the PS4. It's a lot of fun. Like, a wicked amount of fun.
You have taken
Too
the
much
hammer.
fun. Alright, let's go.
The enemy
Kill some
has
guys
stolen
along the
the
way. Here we go. Come back here.
The enemy has dropped the
There we
hammer.
go. There's a kill. Oh yeah.
Your
Here
hammer
we go.
has been
Here we
returned.
go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, we've got some kills on our hammer. Just the way it was always meant to be. And here we go. Going in.
You have successfully captured the
Yeah.
hammer.
Alright. Whee! Back down under. Let's go and get some stuff. Go and get some murder maybe up in here. Oh no. He's running for it. He's running for it. Don't give him the chance. Oh no. Yes, he's gone. I've got a kill streak of 5. That's totally cool. Oh no. Oh no, I'm on fire. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Has taken the hammer.
Oh yes. Stolen. Oh, 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 you're so done. Reload, reload. Give me something to use. I don't know who else has this fire weapon. I think I'm the only one. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh yes, you're gone.
Your team has captured the hammer.
Ah! They're all over. I don't know who to shoot. And who to not shoot. There's just so many guys. I can't even see. Alright. We'll go with me and this guy got it. Oh no. Help me. There we go. Come on out. Heal, 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 heal. Heal, 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 heal. Heal, heal, heal. There we go.
Your team has taken the hammer.
There we go. Now we're doing good. Now we've properly put the parts. There we go. Hold them back. Yeah. So many people's here.
Your team has captured the hammer.
Ah. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yes! Oh no, 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 no. Run, 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 run. Help. Help. Heal, 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 heal. Heal, I'll help you if you'll help me, because that's the kind of guy I am. Yay.
Your team has
I healed
taken
you.
the hammer.
Be proud of me, mummy. Blam! Oh, I love this game. Just It's just so crazy. And I'm cool with that. It's definitely a game where you can get really good at. I like that. Do I agree with that it should be a game that you should be really good at? No, because you probably have no life. Yay, victory! We did that thing! Yay! I got 3rd place. Aww. 3rd place. I definitely had the best KO though. Nope, I didn't. That's a bummer. What? My cat is crawling into a box. Why? He's not even like trying to go up the right side. He's going up like the wrong side. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, I think that's where I'll end this video off. I explained stuff, so that's good. So yeah, that's where I'll end this. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys and your choices to make. So, really, in other words, what I mean is... Okay. What I mean, though, is, just thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And that's all I've really got. So, I will see you in the next video. Stay smooth, my friends.